Hi, welcome to Gooey.AI. We're going to do a quick video on how to make your own interactive video bots. It's very simple. You just have to go to the Gooey website and you will find that there is a section called Create Your Own Interactive Video Bots. Section looks like this. You can ask a question to the AI and it will respond with an avatar and a very nice lip sync movement. This one is specifically made for the Be Fantastic team out of Bangalore. They are talking about tech art and AI and climate change. So we've asked the question, how can AI help with climate change? And the response is given by the bot via GPT-3 is this.
AI can help with climate change in a variety of ways. AI can be used to monitor and analyze data related to climate change, such as air quality, water levels, and temperatures. AI can also be used to develop more efficient and sustainable energy sources, such as solar and wind power. Finally, AI can be used to develop better methods of predicting and responding to extreme weather events, such as floods and hurricanes.
So you can hear that it's got a voice, it's doing lip sync, and the responses are all from GPT-3. This is really interesting to use in your projects, your FAQ sections of your website, and for other use cases as well. It's super simple to make. You have to just add your own script about the personality of the bot, a few Q&As that you think that will be important for the bot to know and respond to in a particular tone of voice, an input face, and some voice settings. So here we've made a bot called Eurydica. They are a future generation of humans, and we've written a story about them and how their body has evolved, their opinions about climate and their fight against for climate justice. So we've done a little bit of a Q&A where you say user, hello, who are you? And then Eurydica answers, where do you live? What are you? And then here at the towards the end, you will see also little more details or specific questions that we were thinking that would be important. Now you need to input a face and a voice. So for this particular one, we've built the face with what is called stable diffusion. So we've built this very nice sea creature humanoid kind of a face. What we did next was take it to app like Talking Heads or Deep or My Heritage Deep Nostalgia, and give that face a little bit of movement. So the movement helps in terms of how the video bot looks at the end of it. Super simple now. We've got that video going. I will add the video here and ask a new question to the bot. I hope it uploaded. Yes, it did. Ask a new question to the bot, right? And now I will see in the settings, I want a particular voice and I want a particular speed and a quality and a face padding. So what I've done is I've taken Google Cloud text to speech voice, which is here. There are many voices that they have. So the one that I've picked, I would like to pick now is a UK voice, which is female. So something like this.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and more.
So all I need to do is copy this and add it to the voice name. And then I can say how high or low the semitones should be and how fast it should speak. So I'm gonna keep it a little bit faster maybe this time. And then I can see there's a bunch of settings for the face padding. I'm gonna just hit submit and let's see what happens. It's gonna take maybe like a couple of seconds. So, and here you can see it's uploading the video and we have something. Now I really don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I think it looks quite okay.
Art and AI can work together to help raise awareness about climate change and its effects. Art can be used.
So this is pretty fast, and there are certain things that are a little bit off about it. And also, I feel like there's really not much happening in the background. So you can use an app like Runway ML to kind of layer your project, layer your bot the way it looks. Here we've done two layers. We have one layer running of an animation in the background and a second layer of Eurydica in the front. So here you can see there's a gentle movement going. So I'm just going to go to my assets because I've already made this, export it, and let the video export. Okay, so that'll just take a couple of minutes, and then instead of this uh, very wavy looking head, I'm gonna do a soft and gentle Eurydica, keep them a little less fast in their tone of voice, and then I'm gonna hit submit again. And there you go, it's uploading the video, and hopefully it gives us an interesting look.
Art and AI can work together to help fight climate change in a variety of ways. AI can be used to analyze data and identify.
So this is a more gentle format of it. So ideally try to use a video. You can use a video of yourself if you want, or of another person in your team if you don't want to use an AI generated face. It is nice if the eyes move, there's a little bit of blinking, it makes the bot look much nicer. So there you have it, video, and make sure that you connect with us if you'd like to host the bot on your own site or app at support@gooey.ai. Thank you.